National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Randolph County in northeastern West Virginia, northeastern Pocahontas County in northeastern West Virginia, southeastern Lewis County in northern West Virginia, northeastern Braxton County in north-central West Virginia, Upshur County in northeastern West Virginia, northeastern Webster County in northeastern West Virginia, Barber County in northeastern West Virginia, until midnight Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:01 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Holly River State Park, or 15 miles east of Sutton, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Arbordale, Shea Bridge, Huttonsville, Eden, Elkins, Glady, Montrose, Everly, Boyer, Womelsdorf, Colton, Snowshoe, French Creek, Morritzville, Dunmore, Montville, Volga, Junior, Bartow, Daly, and Lawrence. This includes Route 33 between mile markers 4 and 35.